Ever dream of owning your own business? Today we spotlight some of the top franchises under $20,000 where cost effectiveness meets entrepreneurial potential. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications for the latest and affordable franchise opportunities. Now, let's dive into the best franchise under $20,000. Taking a step back, these are options that the total investment's less than $20,000. So generally you're going all in cash and you don't have to get an SBA loan. If you're interested in an SBA loan for a franchise, to put that $20,000 cash in so you can invest $100K, potentially more in a franchise, let us know. We also have that financing capability and also many more franchises in that 20 to 100K range. But getting back to the point, franchises under $20,000 total investment. First up, DKI specializes in disaster restoration. DKI requires an investment of $7K to $18,000. Of which a franchise fee is included $5,000. It offers a steady demand market with 300 locations in the US. Coming second, you have Coffee News franchise with an investment in the range of $11,000 to $12,000. Franchise fee is about $10K, so makes up most of that. Coffee News provides a unique advertising platform with over 200 locations. Are you interested in exploring some of these franchise opportunities further? Visit our franchise listings page where you can sort by investment range to see the best franchises within your budget. Find the link in the description below. The third franchise on our list is Card My Yard. This creative business is a yard greetings franchise, requires an investment of $10,000 to $18,000 and a franchise fee of $8K, boosting 500 locations. We've covered Sign Gypsies earlier in another video. They're a direct competitor to Card My Yard. In the fourth place, we have the Travel Leaders Network franchise. For those who are passionate about traveling, this franchise needs $2K to $18,000 to open up. The franchise fees just $1,250, and they have 187 locations. And last but not least, we have the Winzer franchise. They're in the industrial automotive maintenance sector. Winzer asked for an investment of $6,000 to $16,000 to get open, of which franchise fee is $3,500 with 312 locations. Remember, lower investment franchises offer a quick return on investment, ROI, but they may come with higher risk. Careful market research and franchise compatibility are key. Summing up, franchises are gateways to business ownership, balancing affordability with success potential, but especially at that under 20K mark, it's going to require a lot of upfront capital. A lot of these businesses we went through are very heavy on the sales aspect. So if you're not comfortable getting in front of people, if you haven't had prior success with sales, you might want to stay at your job, accumulate more savings to get a business that doesn't rely as much on sales, and you might have a captive audience, a retail location, which generally is going to be over 80K, 100K. The best part with these opportunities that we went through is you can open up with little upfront costs. Keep in mind, I mentioned the SBA part. There are financing mechanisms where with $20,000 cash, you can get an $80,000 loan, if not more, and that gets you to a much larger array of franchise opportunities. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on our next episode.